Welcome to CBC Part 13, where we will discuss MCH, or mean corpuscular hemoglobin. MCH is one of the red blood cell indices reported as part of the complete blood count, or CBC. It represents the average amount of hemoglobin present in a single red blood cell. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. MCH is usually reported in picograms, or pg, per red blood cell. When the MCH is below the laboratory reference range, it is called low MCH. Low MCH means that, on average, each red blood cell contains less hemoglobin than expected. Low MCH is commonly associated with hypochromia, in which red blood cells appear paler than normal on a peripheral blood smear. Common causes of low MCH include iron deficiency anemia and thalassemia. Low MCH is often seen together with a low MCV, particularly in microcytic hypochromic anemia. On the other hand, when the MCH is above the laboratory reference range, it is considered high MCH. High MCH means that the average red blood cell contains more hemoglobin than expected. High MCH may occur when red blood cells are larger than normal, and can be seen in some cases of macrocytic anemia, including vitamin B12 or folate deficiency. However, MCH should not be interpreted alone and should always be evaluated together with other CBC parameters. MCH can be calculated using the hemoglobin concentration and the red blood cell count. The formula is MCH equals hemoglobin multiplied by 10 divided by the RBC count. For example, if the hemoglobin is 15 grams per deciliter and the RBC count is 5 million cells per microliter, the MCH is 15 multiplied by 10 divided by 5, which equals 30 picograms per cell. This means that each red blood cell contains approximately 30 picograms of hemoglobin on average. A typical adult MCH reference range is approximately 27 to 33 picograms per cell. MCH is clinically useful because it helps us assess the average hemoglobin content of red blood cells and contributes to the evaluation and classification of anemia. It is particularly useful when interpreted together with MCV, MCHC, RDW, hemoglobin, and hematocrit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos on medical laboratory science.